I no deliver food for you today.
What? Why, Amir? I'm starving on this Mars.
See, sir, how you even get on Mars?
I just spawned here today. Now, chop chop, I want to get my burger. I'll even give you a $2 tip.
No, you capping, sir. You not spawn there. I suspect you build different too.
What? No, I'm not. If I was, don't you think I'd spawn my own food?
Don't lie to me, sir. You always order to these weird ass places. One time you in Ice Age, another you in Point Nemo, and now you on Mars.
So what? Uber Eats should deliver anywhere.
Uber Eats can't, sir, but I can.
Then do it, Amir. Imagine all the stuff you could buy with $2.
No, change topic, sir. Remember time when you had to deliver me food? The way you easily handled it when I send you my build different energy? Normal human no handle that. And if you build different, we have to be related, sir.
Fine, Amir, you got me. Your dad who left for milk years ago.
Dad, I thought you die in Battle of Kanal. How I know recognize you when I deliver every day?
Sorry, Amir. I can change my parents. I thought you were gonna be disappointment son like your Amir or Amit. Your first 50 years of existing, you still play with toy cars?
Wait, how I even this old? I think I only 35-year-old.
Oh no! They did it to you too.
Who? What they do to me?
Dad, they wipe out your memory. Uber Eats wipe out your memory, Amir. Dandy and few other people.
What the bloody heck? Why they do that?
They turn you into machine to just deliver Uber Eats.
What? But I think I just build different.
Do you even remember getting Uber Eats job?
Wait, it's like I always had it.
Exactly. You never get it yourself. They force you to get it. I know you built different. And now they're just profiting off your abilities.
But I still get $2 and they even give me personal guide to Bing Bang during work.
$2 are worth nothing. And guide is just for manipulation.
But $2 is so much money, Dad. I can buy Bugatti.
No, you bloody can't. They brainwashed you into thinking $2 is very valuable. But in reality, even in India, you can only buy a meal.
Wait, you right. I never even have Bugatti. Only my cheap tuk-tuk. Why they do that to me?
They want money. You not even imagine how much Uber Eats makes of you.
So what should I do, Dad?
Quit that motherfucking Uber Eats and start Amir Eats. I know you already did, but they manipulated you into coming back. But this time, you need to quit forever.
Dandy, you bloody motherfucker. I'll find out everything.
What do you think you found out, Amir?
You reset me. You bloody motherfucker.
Calm down, Smear.
I know everything, Dandy. You making huge money because I build different. I quit. I starting Amir Eats again.
What? No!